Okay, so some of you might know that I'm a beauty influencer with the company Farmasi. We sell makeup products and skincare products and a whole range of things that fall in that category. I'm coming on here today to show you guys the first couple of products that I purchased that made me fall in love with the company. Those products include the primer, the CC Cream Foundation, the 3D Effect Mascara, and our highlighter palette, which has 3 colors. I'm gonna do a makeup look, and you can follow along. I love the coverage that the CC cream gives me, and with the primer beforehand, it lasts all day, and it doesn't feel like I'm wearing any makeup. I also fell in love with the highlighter palette. Before I bought all these products, I never really wore makeup, and I definitely didn't use highlighter, but I like this highlighter palette because it has 3 choices, and you can choose whichever one that really goes with the look you're going for, and it really looks good in the sunlight. This mascara is the product I have sold the most of because it really gives you a full lash effect without false lashes. The reason I originally signed up to become a beauty influencer was because I liked the makeup products so much, and they were pretty good pricing, but with beauty influencers you get 50% off. So I decided that I wanted to be able to try more products without really breaking the bank, and then I fell in love so much, and I really enjoyed the products that I wanted to start promoting them more so other people could see how good they were. And so that's when I decided to actually do the full effect of being a beauty influencer and promote the products on a daily. all the products used are Farmasi products.